Welcome to Mike.
Welcome to Jeff's Text It Out, the coolest tech show on the internet and YouTube. I'm Jeff, your host, and are you ready to tech it out?
You didn't even tell them what we're here for. We're here to unbox this, the Apple Card, the ultimate Apple fanboy's ticket to say that I am an Apple fanboy, and we're going to unbox it today. And another super cool unboxing.
By me, Jeff.
The reason I had you on the show, even though you're ghetto, and my viewers don't want to see that, but this is your card. So you should open the card because it's your card.
No, you can open it.
Okay, I'll open it. That's what I do professionally. So you got the little pull thing here, but you've actually had the card for like over a week, technically.
Technically.
So while
not over a week, no. I got it last Thursday.
Whatever.
Wednesday.
So how has it been so far?
I like it. I like the fact that you do get some kind of rewards back for it. That's really cool when you use it. I haven't used it much, of course, but yeah, I mean, I like it.
Oh, hold on. It's got the little pamphlet thing here. So you got your little official pamphlet. Throw this on the floor. Look at that. It is gorgeous. It's got the little Apple logo on the front. This is like... Oh! Look, my card looks so good.
You mean my card looks so
Alright,
good?
So this is how the card... Did that let you choose the color?
No, it just shows whatever they had.
I haven't been following that much, honestly, guys. But Jeff did get one, so I decided to steal it. So you're going to go ahead and go to the setup real quick.
Activate the card. Wake iPhone and hold here. There we go. Alright. Now it's showing activate. Your card is ready. There we go. It is officially ready.
So why don't you show like some of the breakdowns and stuff that it does for the money. Weekly activity, why is it so high?
Because I bought some new clothes because I needed them. But yeah, it gives you a breakdown of everything that you purchased. As you can kind of see. But you can also do that, make a payment, it shows your credit limit, etc. I mean, there's really cool features. You can pay it through the wallet, which I like. I like that a lot.
Alright, I'm popping the card out because... So, I like the back of it. So it has the Goldman Sachs. It's got like the little MasterCard logo. Actually, this is like the nicest card that I probably... As far as a credit or debit card, like it feels... It's so stupid. This sounds so stupid because I'm talking about a credit card, but it's really solid. Like it's really a high quality.
Isn't it like
card.
titanium though?
Yes, you just can't put it in leather or denim. It might ruin the finish. But it's very solid. It's a very solid card. That's pretty much the unboxing experience.
This is really cool. Yeah, I like this card. It looks really good. I know it sounds weird because it's a damn credit card, but it is really cool. Not to mention the cool little coloring, etc. That's supposed to change colors.
That's what I thought too. Well, no, it changes colors in the app depending on your spending habits.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the whole thing. All right, now it's time for the hard-hitting questions. Honestly, though, is it really that much different than using any other card in Apple Pay? Because we've used Apple Pay for years.
Minus the features that it gives you for the card, like paying through the wallet, etc. Not really too much. I think it works a little bit faster, but that's probably because of how they've set it up with their servers.
How fast is the cash back? How long is it taking to get cash back?
Actually, it goes on the next day, like they said. And I've used some of it already, the cashback stuff that I've gotten.
How you supposed to be buying me some nice stuff? What you mean you've used it already?
I've used some of it to kind of test out the Apple Pay card as well, because I've never put any money on that, and this is the first time I've ever gotten. I wouldn't put regular money on that either way. But the fact that I get something back for it, yeah, it's free. Let me get your hands off of my card.
Anyway, that's gonna bring this video to a conclusion. It was kind of a little quick video to go over the Apple Card. A lot of people are interested in it. It's cool, but to me, it's still a credit card.
Yeah.
So it's nothing like extra special. There's other rewards cards out there, but it has a cool design and it's kind of a novelty thing. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe. And where can they find you at?
Oh, they can find me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at TheRealJeffRG. And don't forget to look up Jeff's Super Cool Collectibles. Every Thursday, we drop at 6 p.m. So are you ready for this week? It is going to be more phenomenal. And I'm going to show you a haul that I got. For cheap.
Anyway, always remember to do at least 2 things at the same time.
Except drive and text. You don't want to do that.
Peace. Let me see the card.
For what?